walking back from the car after the first trip carrying just the preliminary load. Now we're going back down to the campsite. Everybody's got everything packed up. Some people are already up at the cars. I'm heading back to grab my bag and check on everybody else. It's nice and sunny out. It's beautiful. I figured you might enjoy the walk too. Back to the campsite. There's our little field. You can see Sarah, Jason on the ground, resting up. Whatever's left is not really much. I won't put you through the walk down there.